Imagine tuna pie but cheesier, crunchier, all in one bite. Green onions. Also, I have a new knife. Carrot na medyo to the left. In my previous videos, a lot of you asked what brand of tuna I use, and it's always been Century Tuna because it's 100% real tuna and madali siyang buksan. For this recipe, I recommend use the light and drain. Get rid of all that excess moisture. In a large bowl, drain tuna, block of cream cheese, your chopped veggie. Ano ba yan? I had one take! Your chopped veggies, garlic powder, onion powder, chili flakes kung matapang ka, and pepper. Molo wrapper. Seal it with water, 2 sides together, and the other 2. Chanin! These are out of this world.